Hey friends, welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today I have bought an authentic Maharashtrian fish recipe and we are going to make Malvani Bangada Fry or Mackerel Fry, and the recipe is very easy, so let's see how to make it. Here we have mackerels or Bangda fish and I have made incisions in it and I have applied salt and I have kept it aside for nearly about 20 minutes for rest. And here is kokum juice or kokum concentrate. Kokum is a fruit which is also called as garcinia. If you don't get this kokum concentrate, instead of this you can also make use of tamarind pulp. You can take lemon sized tamarind and you can soak it in warm water and you can extract pulp out of that for this recipe. People in Konkan area or from Malvan side, they normally use this kokum concentrate. Here we have few garlic cloves. I have taken here nearly 7 to 8 garlic cloves, half inch of ginger, handful of fresh coriander leaves. Here is fine suji or rava for coating the mackerels, and instead of this you can also make use of rice flour. Turmeric powder is there, half teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Red chili powder you can adjust the quantity as per your spice preference. Here I have a mixie jar and to that I am going to add ginger and garlic, and in goes fresh coriander, and I am going to add very little water and I am going to make a paste out of it. Here our ginger, garlic and coriander paste is ready. Now since our mackerels have marinated in salt for nearly half an hour, we are just going to add all other ingredients. First we will add this kokum concentrate to this mackerels. Next we'll add ginger garlic paste. Next goes in turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now we are just going to mix this all together, and this masala should coat this bangda or mackerels properly. Here you can see we have coated the mackerels very well with this masala, and while adding the other spices I didn't add any salt to it because already in the beginning I added the required amount of salt. And now we will keep this coated mackerels aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Here to a pan I added nearly 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now we are just going to take one fish and we are going to coat it well with rava. Our oil is hot and now we will gently place this coated mackerel in oil. Likewise we will place all the mackerels. You can see we have arranged all the mackerels and we will fry it well on both sides. I will add little more oil over here. We have to fry this on medium flame in order to avoid burning. And this is classic Malvani style fish fry. And here instead of this fine suji or rava, you can also make use of rice flour, coarse rice flour, or a combination of both. Gently we are just going to flip them over and we will fry them well on other side as well. We have to fry them crisp on both sides. Our mackerels are fried well and they are quite crispy and done, and now we are just going to serve them. Here our yummy mackerel or Bangada Fry is ready, Malvani style Bangada Fry, and please try out this recipe at home and do let me know. It's very easy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.